Hey, welcome to Keep It Simple Montessori. I'm Frankie.
And I'm Sloane.
And we're going to be applying the basic principles of Montessori
to everyday life.
Yeah, so
let's do it! Hey friends, we're here to talk about sweet potatoes, and this is the sweet potato. You can see they have things on it and decorations. You even have a little hole right there, and everything is little bumps. That's okay.
yeah, what do you think those little bumps are?
I don't know.
I honestly don't know either. But I do know that a sweet potato is actually a root.
Yes, and actually they have skinned root.
Sweet potatoes are considered to be one of the healthiest vegetables in the world. Sweet potatoes are a superfood. Sweet potatoes can be red, orange, yellow, purple, green, pink. Just kidding, not green or pink. But the orange ones are the sweetest.
Yes, that's right.
That's right. A sweet potato is often called a yam, but yams and sweet potatoes are very different. In fact, a sweet potato is not even a true potato. It's the root of a flower called the morning glory flower.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Wait. I know everything about sweet potatoes.
You know everything about sweet potatoes?
Yeah, so why don't I say it?
You should say it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So sweet potatoes have healthy things in it. That they have vitamins, they have everything in it. It's healthy for your body. It makes your brain healthy, and everything that can make your bones have really vitamins, super things like in it, but actually they have anything that is healthy in it. It could be orange. The orange ones are even sweeter for you. If you don't make the orange ones and get the skin off like this one.
Well, I heard that it's better to eat your sweet potatoes with the skin and not to trim the skin off. Do you like your sweet potatoes with or without the skin?
With the skin?
With the skin, yeah.
Yeah.
Me too.
If you don't like sweet potatoes, then you don't have to eat them. But we have to you guys can tell everybody about sweet potatoes.
Tell everybody.
Yeah.
They're healthy. They're not super expensive. They're so easy to cook.
I'm saying it. You can do it.
Okay. I'll be quiet. Sorry.
You can just smile. You can just smile. Just smile.
Don't talk, just smile. Okay, I'll just sit here and smile.
Right here. Just look at there.
Look over there?
Yeah, just look over
I
there.
can't even look at the camera?
Okay, just look at the sweet potatoes.
Just look at the sweet potato and smile?
No, this is called a multivitamin sweet potato because it's good for your brain.
It's a multivitamin sweet potato?
Yeah.
I think sweet potatoes are better than multivitamins.
Yeah,
Sweet potatoes have vitamin A, B6, C, iron, potassium, fiber. It was ranked above spinach and broccoli. Sweet potatoes come from the same genus as the morning glory flower.
I know that.
By the way, a genus is a class of similar things, especially a group of animals or plants that include several closely related species. 90% of the sweet potatoes in the world are grown in...
Sloane.
No, not in Sloane. Asia. 2.5 billion pounds of sweet potatoes are grown in the U.S. every single year. That's a lot of sweet potatoes.
Okay, let me tell everyone about it.
Okay, go ahead.
Everyone can watch sweet potato movies. A sweet potato that you can watch a movie and then make sweet potatoes. That way you know how to make it.
Oh, like watch a cooking show.
Yeah, I can cook sweet potatoes. This. You can look at the camera, but I'm going to talk. Dad, be quiet. Be quiet, Dad. And everything, if you put something on it and paper, no, definitely not taste good.
I'm definitely lost. I don't know what we're talking about anymore.
What?
Are we still talking about sweet potatoes?
Yeah.
Hang on a second. I'm getting a call. Hello? No, I'm just doing a little video with Sloane. Oh, you're watching it live? This is live? Oh, okay, I gotta go, bye.
Dad, that's a sweet potato.
I thought this was my phone. Wait a second. Sweet potatoes get cell service too. Oh.
Sorry guys, wait. My dad's being so silly in this show. Stop.
I'm not being silly.
Yes, you.
I promise I talked on this sweet potato like a phone. Here, you try.
I don't hear anything in there.
Well, you have to believe. You have to believe in sweet potatoes to release their full potential.
I don't hear anything.
Look at this little sweet potato. It's like a little baby.
Yeah.
Oh, cute little baby.
That's a sweet potato.
Hey, don't hit my baby. This is my baby. Don't you touch my sweet potato again. It's my baby.
This is my baby. Instead, that's too sweet.
Wait. Let's get back to the show. Let's get back to the show. Okay, this is live. This show is live right now.
Wow.
Okay?
Really?
That means there are millions and millions of people watching us play around with sweet potatoes right now. Okay, hang on. Deep breath. Let's start from the bottom, work our way up. February is National Sweet Potato Month. North Carolina is the official vegetable. Wait a second. Sweet potato is the official vegetable of North Carolina. Sweet potatoes have 131 calories in 1 cup. That's not a lot of calories. And that's a lot of sweet potato. Which means you're going to be healthy, full, and fit. Plus they're heavy, so when you pick them up, you're kind of getting a workout.
Yeah.
Everything about a sweet potato is good. Everything. I eat them raw. I do. Watch. Oh.
No.
Except for this one, it's still premature. Premature little baby sweet potato. Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. Sloane, don't eat your baby. I'm gonna say a statement. You say whether it's true or false. Ready? Go. Sweet potatoes can make you fly. Go. Sweet potatoes give you wings. True or false?
No, they don't.
Sweet potatoes make your farts smell like cotton candy. True or false? Sweet potatoes makes your hair orange. True or false?
Hello.
Hello.
I've never seen a sweet potato.
I like to eat sweet potatoes.
Wait, I'm a sweet potato. No! Please don't eat me! No!
Sweet potatoes are my favorite food in the whole world. I would even venture to say that I'd be willing to exchange... Can you pause for a second? This is a serious statement. I'd be willing to exchange a pound of sweet potatoes for my firstborn child. Yes. That's how much I love sweet... No! I'm not a sweet potato. No, eat me. Anywho, I would definitely exchange even just one sweet potato. If it came to... No! What are you trying to eat me for? If it came down to this sweet potato or this little girl... Are you trying to eat me again? I would take the sweet potato. I'm just kidding. Sloane, I love you.
I love you.
You're my best friend.
Okay.
Sweet potatoes are legit. We love them. We eat them. In fact, it's getting close to dinner time, so we gotta go cook these puppies up.
Let's do our special handshake.
Okay. Deuces, gooses.
Deuces, gooses.